Welcome guys, this is OPTIMER FX trading live on volatility 10 index. As you can see, this is my chart. I am using MACD indicator, only MACD indicator. Now I have been on this trade for over a week now, and I have been using MACD indicator and be recording massive profit. Now let me show you how to use MACD and record massive profit. Before that, let me show you the settings for MACD, and you can see I am live on volatility 10 index. So let me show you the settings first before I show you why I am on sale using MACD, why I am on sale using MACD. This is live trade, do you understand? So here are what my settings for MACD indicator. Now the fast EMA is 17, slow EMA is 26, MACD XMA is 2, apply to close. Do you understand? Now from the style, the main 4 pixel color green, signal 2 pixel color red. That's all about the indicator, MACD indicator I am using live on this trade. Do you understand? So this is my chart and this is my trade. You can see that my trade are still running. Do you understand? Now let me show you why I am on sale on MACD, why I am on sale on volatility 10 index. So on my screen now you can see that this is a 1 hour time frame. Do you understand? So I have been on this trade. Now when you watch, when MACD, look at this, when MACD crosses and moves up, when MACD moves up from down upward, look at the movements. Look at this movement. When MACD moves from down upward, now this point, look at this point of crossing, which is the line of 0.000. Now when MACD crosses from down upward, the point where the crossing occurs, that is where you make your entry. If the crossing is from down upward, that is what a sell signal. That is what a sell signal. As you can see, so you make your entry from where the crossing occurs. When the crossing is from down upward, like this movement, this is what a sell signal. Do you understand? So I have been recording a lot of profit with this strategy. Do you understand? On this particular pair, volatility 10 index. Do you understand? So I move. Now when the crossing occurs downward, look at this point here. When the crossing moves from up downward, that is what a clear buy signal. Do you understand? Look at the movement of MACD indicator from up downward. Now from this point of crossing here, that is where you make your entry. Now from up downward is a clear buy signal. So I took my buy entry at this point and I recorded a huge profit. Do you understand? So I continue with the trades. Now currently, as you can see currently on my chart, look at the crossing here. Look at the crossing here. So the reason why I am selling volatility 10 index right now. This is the reason why I am selling. Look at the crossing here. Look at this crossing here. Are you seeing it? See the crossing there. Are you seeing the crossing? So I am selling. See my entries. See my selling entries here. Do you understand? So as you can see, the market is moving down. Do you understand? So that reason why I am on sale on volatility 10 index. Do you understand? As you can see, the profit are still reading. Do you understand? So guys, all the strategies being shared on my channel, I continue to use them. Do you understand? I have been using them and they have been proving profitable. That is the reason why I am sharing it with you guys. So most my clients are asking for live trading. As you can see, this is what a live trading, and I have shown you why I am selling volatility 10 index. Do you understand? So all my strategies are profitable. Do you understand? Study them, understand them, apply them, and enjoy your trade. Do you understand? Don't forget, this is OPTIMER FX, where profitable strategies are being shared. So if you like the video, hit the subscribe button, share the video, let others benefit. Do you understand? So as you can see, the MACD continue to look at it, continues to do what? To move up. So this is the point of concentration, the point where the correction occurred. Do you understand? And that reason why I made my sell entry. Do you understand? And the profits continue counting. So guys, this is